Hello viewers, welcome to Anwitas Cookhouse. In this video, we will see how to prepare Andhra's special snack, nothing but sweet shells or gavvalu. Follow these tips and tricks that I am going to mention in this video to give an extra crunchiness for these shells. Firstly, add a pinch of salt for 500 grams of maida and 5 tablespoons of hot oil to this flour. Mix it well by adding little amount of water and knead it like a soft dough. Add enough water to make a stiff dough. You can cover and set this aside for 15 minutes if you have ample of time. And now divide this dough into small equal portions and roll it into small balls. Then spread these balls in a gnocchi pot and make it in the form of a shell. Handle these small balls very gently while you are pressing these on gnocchi board, or else it may stick to this board. Repeat the same process for all the balls to make cute shells as shown in this video. Once all shells are ready, heat oil and fry few at a time under medium flame. Remove these shells from the oil once they start changing its color. We are going to fry these shells again for the second time once they are cooled a bit after a minute. Frying the same shells twice gives extra crunchiness for the shell. Now add these shells again in the oil and fry until it turns gold color. Now when you are frying the same shells for the second time, allow them until they turn completely gold color and fry these shells only in low flame. And now for jaggery syrup, take 500 grams of jaggery for 500 grams of maida. Boil the syrup until it forms a ball consistency. Sometimes color of your shells may vary according to the color of your jaggery, so it's not an issue. Once the consistency is perfect, then add the fried shells to this jaggery syrup. Give it a good mix and make sure each and every shell is coated thoroughly with jaggery syrup. Allow them to cool. That's it. Here we go with crispy, crunchy jaggery shells. Follow the tips and tricks that I have mentioned in this video to make these jaggery shells more crispy and more crunchy. Do subscribe Anwitas Cookhouse for many more delicious and unique recipes. Thank you and bye bye.